Have you ever sensed the subtle forces at play, shaping the course of events in your life? Today we embark on a journey delving into the 12 universal laws that govern our existence. As we explore each law, we unravel the wisdom embedded within Stoic philosophy, fostering empowerment and unity. Welcome to New Challenger, where we embrace a Stoic theme, aiming to instill a sense of internal strength and fulfillment. Let's start with the law of Divine Oneness, a principle echoing the interconnectedness of all things. Imagine life as an intricate tapestry, each thread vital to the cosmic fabric. In this grand tapestry, every action, thought, and emotion creates a ripple effect, not confined to individual boundaries but resonating through the entire cosmic tapestry. This law encourages a shift in perspective, recognizing ourselves as integral parts of a larger whole, fostering a profound sense of responsibility. Moving on to the law of vibrations, it asserts that everything in the universe is in constant motion, akin to the unceasing rhythm of a song. As vibrational beings, our thoughts, feelings, and actions contribute to a vast cosmic chorus, attracting energies resonating with our own. This law underscores our control over our energetic output, offering a powerful tool for shaping our experiences. The law of action reminds us that thoughts alone won't change our lives. Action is the bridge between our dreams and achievements. Small, consistent efforts accumulate over time, creating momentum toward our goals. It's a call to movement, emphasizing the importance of commitment and dedication in the journey towards our objectives. Correspondence, another fundamental law, underscores the connection between our inner and outer worlds. It suggests that our external reality mirrors our internal state, prompting self-reflection and a deeper understanding of the intertwining nature of our thoughts, feelings, and the world around us. The law of cause and effect, a timeless principle, highlights that every action has a reaction, creating a chain of events. By being conscious of our actions, we gain a clearer understanding of the potential consequences, shifting from a passive to an active mindset in navigating life. Moving forward, the law of compensation revolves around balance and fairness, ensuring that every action receives a corresponding consequence. It encourages us to be conscious of the energy we contribute to the world, aligning it with the kind of compensation we desire. The law of attraction, a basic yet profound law, suggests that similar energies are drawn to each other. It emphasizes the impact of our thoughts on the situations we attract, encouraging mindfulness in our thoughts and emotions to shape our experiences positively. The law of perpetual transmutation of energy highlights the ever-changing nature of energy in the universe. By consciously choosing positivity, we can shift the energy around us, influencing the experiences we attract. The law of relativity emphasizes the idea that perspective shapes how we perceive life events. It urges us to see our challenges in relation to our unique journey, fostering empathy and understanding that everyone faces unique difficulties. The law of polarity asserts that opposites coexist in all aspects of life, contributing to the balance of the universe. It calls for finding the middle ground, embracing both ends of the spectrum to foster resilience and adaptability in diverse circumstances. The law of rhythm focuses on the natural ebb and flow of life, suggesting that everything follows a rhythmic pattern. Understanding these rhythms helps us navigate challenges and appreciate moments of joy, flowing with the rhythm of life rather than resisting its natural fluctuations. Finally, the law of gender emphasizes the presence of both masculine and feminine energies within all aspects of life. It encourages a harmonious integration of these energies for holistic development, transcending societal gender norms. In closing, if this exploration resonated with you, consider sharing it with someone who would appreciate it. Feel free to leave your thoughts or experiences in the comments below. Until next time, embrace the Stoic principles and continue your journey towards empowerment and unity.